Oh, speaking of that, bro, we have Mr. Community himself that just
AI
pulled up.
love.
I was sitting up in here handling my home chain community, man. Greetings and salutations to all. I don't even know what the fuck that means, but I like to say it, right? Because it was something that was cool on Star Trek. So fuck it. Um, how y'all doing, man? JChains, man. Boy, my fucking champions are back in the ring, man. You know what I'm saying? This is our build market. This ain't no bear market. I don't give a fuck what they saying out here. We pushing, we pressing. We're gonna continue to persevere, push on. We need time in this space, man. I'll tell you that much, man. So I'm glad that you got a chance to get your batteries recharged, man.
Yes, sir.
You know, and just get back to swinging, baby. You know that's what we do. Miss you, man. I miss the gang. I miss my breakfast squad. I like to call this the fucking Web3 Breakfast Club. That's how I really look at this shit. You guys have, the most interesting perspectives, takes, subject matters, man. Just holding people accountable and, trying your best to show support for others, man. I just want to thank you for being, the people to host the space, man, and providing me the value, right? So I just, from the bottom of my heart, I had to let y'all know that it's very, very important to me, and man, being on this battlefield, man, it should be tough as hell. It's no one sees the wounds that we actually see. They just see us come home, right, with the victory. That's the thing about a soldier. You never see what a soldier go through. But you know that because you got a home to call home, that the soldier did their job, right? So that's the way I look at it. Community, man, you know it, man. It's common unity, man. When we find the common unity, things that tie us together, man, we can build off of that, right? And also, I wanted to say, communities or groups of individuals with different personality types, different backgrounds, different levels of understanding, right? So we can't always be too hard on each other. We got to learn to, keep that in the back of our mind. We should, right? You don't have to do shit in life, but you should. The word from AI, a kid called AI love, and I'm love for a reason. Love has many faces, right? But you should keep that in the back of your mind when you deal with people, I just got out of mental health check-in space. I'm like, everybody yelling at each other. This shit is crazy. I gotta go. Just wanted to say that, man. I ramble on. I'm just excited to be with y'all. Oh, man, I see Sapphire down there. So, hey, what's up? White guy, Turbo, baby. I get excited about stuff like this. I see Culture down there. Culture, I'm about to, whoop-de-whoop-de-whoop. And bring it for the culture, man. So let me stop rambling.
I love it, man. I appreciate you being here. We are glad to be back. Glad to have you back up on the stage with us, chit-chatting.